Hey guys, if you are facing the problem that you are not receiving the messages on your Instagram, so let me guide how to fix this problem. So first of all, you have to just open your Instagram and you have to just make the same settings that I am going to show you. So first of all, you have to just click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and then click on the three lines at the top right corner, and here you have to just click on the settings and now click on the privacy. Here you have to just scroll down and click on the messages option here. But before moving to this step, you have to just check that your account is not a private. It should be public to receive messages on your Instagram. So you have to just make sure that your account is public one. And now you have to just click on the messages option, and here you have to just enable the two settings. First is your followers on Instagram. You have to just click on the messages requests. Doing so, you have to just move back one step, and here you have to just click on the other on Instagram, enable it to the message request. So make sure that these two settings are enabled to the message request. Doing so, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to receive the messages on your Instagram. If still you are facing the issue, then you have to just move to the next step. So you have to just click on the profile icon again and then click on the three lines at the top right and click on the settings. Here just click on the help, report a problem. Click on report problem without shaking and click on include and continue. And here you have to just make a brief description. I have already made this description. You can copy it, in which you have to just show that Instagram team, I am having problem with receiving messages on my Instagram. My all settings for messages are turned on, but still I am facing the same issue. Please solve this error as soon as possible. Thank you so much. I just copy it from here and then you have to just paste it in this description box and then click on the send. So within 24 to 48 hours this problem will be fixed. It may take a long time, so you have to be patient and wait for a response from the Instagram team. So that's all for this video. I hope you all enjoyed this video. For more information about your Instagram, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.